In this video, we will cover how to do switch mapping on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Application, select the correct configuration, press the double-ended wrench, press the Auxiliary Input button, scroll down, and select the switch that you wish to assign a boom section to. Once the correct switch has been selected, press the Add button. Select which boom section you would like to assign to this switch. Press the green check mark. Press Reassign function. And as you can see, we have now reassigned boom section 3. Once you have reassigned all the sections that you wish to, press the green check mark. We have now covered how to do switch mapping on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.